Welcome back to Startup Sparks. Today, we're diving into the incredible story of Kevin Systrom and Mike Krieger, the co-founders of Instagram. How did a simple photo sharing app turn into a global social media giant with over 1 billion users? Let's find out. The early days of Kevin Systrom and Mike Krieger. Kevin Systrom was born in 1983 in Massachusetts, while Mike Krieger was born in Brazil in 1986. Both had a passion for technology and innovation from a young age. Systrom studied management science and engineering at Stanford University and later worked at Google. Krieger, also a Stanford graduate, focused on symbolic systems and user experience design. Their paths crossed at Stanford, where they discovered a shared vision for building a groundbreaking digital platform. The birth of Instagram. Before Instagram, Kevin Systrom developed an app called Bourbon, which was designed for location check-ins and photo sharing. However, it was too complicated, and users were primarily engaging with the photo sharing feature. Seeing this trend, Systrom and Krieger decided to pivot. They stripped down Bourbon's unnecessary features and focused solely on photo sharing. This decision led to the birth of Instagram, which launched on October 6, 2010, exclusively for iOS. Explosive growth and instant success. Instagram was an instant hit. The app's simple and elegant design, along with filters that made photos look professional, attracted millions of users. Within just 2 months, Instagram had over 1 million downloads, a remarkable achievement for a brand new app. Facebook's acquisition and expansion. In 2012, just 18 months after its launch, Facebook acquired Instagram for $1 billion. Many questioned whether Instagram would lose its identity, but Systrom and Krieger continued to lead the platform, ensuring its unique culture remained intact. Under Facebook's ownership, Instagram introduced new features like Stories, IGTV, and Reels, competing with platforms like Snapchat and TikTok. The app's growth skyrocketed, reaching over 1 billion users worldwide. The founders' departure and Instagram's legacy. In 2018, Kevin Systrom and Mike Krieger announced their departure from Instagram, citing a desire to explore new creative projects. Despite leaving, their impact on the social media world remains undeniable. Instagram continues to shape digital culture, influencing everything from business marketing to personal branding. The platform has become a powerful tool for creators, entrepreneurs, and influencers worldwide. The story of Instagram is proof that the right idea, executed at the right time, can change the world. What's your favorite Instagram feature? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more inspiring stories here on Startup Sparks. Until next time, keep innovating and sparking change.